Hey everyone, I'm Zoe. Today I'm going to explain about another application of matrices. Today I want to show you how can we do transformations by matrices. Okay, in previous video I showed you how to use matrices for solving a system of linear equation. Okay, but this time we use this one for transformations. Okay, I have two shapes on a two-dimensional coordinate system, a triangle ABC with this coordinate value and one pentagon ABCDE with this values. Okay. We have, as you know, we have four kind of transformation. The sliding translation, we call this, and reflection over one axis or over one point. Rotation over point can be the origin or can be anywhere else. These three kind of translation, reflection, and rotation preserves the size of your shape. But the fourth type of transformation is a little bit different. Dilation. Dilation can enlarge your shape, two-dimensional shape in this case, or can be just shrink this one. But this is proportional. Can enlarge this one double, or can make it a little bit smaller, maybe to half size. But everything is proportional, but it changes your the size of your shape. Okay, we have the different kind of matrices for doing this one, for reflection and rotation, 90-degree, counterclockwise, clockwise, and different things. For dilation, we have something, a 2 by 2 matrix, matrix with scales of scale factor. S is the factor of, if you want to enlarge your shape twice, you can use this one, 2 and 2. If you want to shrink this in half size, you can say half and half. Okay, this is different things. I'm not planning to use everything here, just show you how to use this one. Just for translation or sliding something here, for example, this triangle, we want to slide this two to right. We can move this one, transfer this one 2 units right, okay, and for example 1 unit down. For doing this one, we need to add something, add a matrix with the coordinate system of this one. What is the coordinate, what is the matrix of ABC? Matrix of ABC is this. ABC matrices. Matrix is a 3 points we have. Any points is X and Y. Okay, 3, 5, 0, 2, and 2, negative 3. Yes? This is X's, this is Y's. This is 2 by 3. This is 2 because any points we transfer has coordinate value at X and Y. Good. For doing this one, we need a matrix, the same size matrix of this one. For example, this 2 by 3. We want to move 2 to right. To right means we add 2 points to x's. Okay, we can say 2, 2, 2. And negative 1 add to y's. Okay, go down. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. We can add this one with the matrix of ABC. 3, 5, 0, 2, 2, negative 3. The answer is exactly 2 by 3. Yes? We add any element to corresponding element. 2 plus 3 gets 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 2 gets 4. For y's, everything plus minus negative 1. Okay. Gets 4, 1, and the negative 3 plus negative 1 gets negative 4. Okay. This triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, for example, is translation of this ABC. 2 units to right, 1 unit down. This is just addition, very simple. But how about reflection? Reflection, we have reflection over x-axis, y-axis, and x plus y, or y equals to negative x. But we can use this one, for example, reflection over y. Or reflection over x-axis, for example. Okay, reflection over x-axis. Yes, what we want to do, this reflection over x-axis of pentagon. We have a pentagon ABCDE. The pentagon ABCD has this value, coordinate value. Okay, we need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column, and each point has x and y. 2 by 5. Yes, this is a 2 by 5. The first one is 4, 1. Second one 8, 3. 8, 5. 4, 6, 2, 4. Yes, this is pentagon ABCDE. This is x's, this is y's. Okay, we want to reflect this one over x-axis. You know that if you want to reflect this over x-axis, x is x, just y gets negative, right? Okay, we use this one. This is the matrix 1, negative 1, 0, 0, this. Because any x's is x, just y gets negative, right? Okay, this is 2 by 2 for reflection over x-axis. X is the same, y gets negative. Okay, multiply by this. 4, 1, 8, 3, 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 4. This is 2 by 5. We know that this column matches this one, the rows. Everything is okay. But what is the answer? And answer is 2 times 5 size of a matrix. This is pentagon ABCDE. This is pentagon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. Yes, something here, right? Okay, how can we multiply? Multiply the first row by this, the first column. 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1 gets 4. This one. 1 times 8 plus 0, 8. You see the x is x. 1 times this, no changes. This one, no changes, because it gets y gets 0. This one times this, 2 plus 0, 2. X's is the same, x's. How about y's? This one, the second row times this, this is 0, this is negative 1. Yes? As well, it gets negative 3, negative 5, negative 6, and 4. New points. 4, negative 1, 8, negative 3, 8, negative 5, 4, negative 6, 2, 4. If I want to show you here, this is a very small one, but it's okay. This is 4, 1, gets 4, negative 1 here. This is A prime. How about B prime? B prime is 8, negative 3. 8 here, negative 3. B prime. C prime is 8, 5 gets 8, negative 5. C prime. D prime is 4, negative 6. 4, 6 gets 4, negative 6. This one, negative 6. D prime. How about E prime? E prime is 2, 2, negative 4. Yes, 4 gets negative 4. 2, here 2, 4, 2, negative 4. E prime. Yes? This pentagon is reflection of pentagon ABCDE over x-axis, right? By using this one. This is 2 by 2, but we have 2 by 5. If we had a triangle, we had 2 by 3. If we had just a segment, for example, just a line, part of line, AB, we had just 2 points. 2 points is 1 point, 2 point. Just 1 point we have just like this, X and Y, right? Depends of the shape you wanna transform. In this case, we did this reflection, but by just multiplication. This translation or sliding this one, just adding and subtracting is enough. Okay. But how about dilation? Dilation change the size of your, actually, dilation is. Dilation with factor scale factor of 2. Dilate this one, triangle ABC with factor by 2. Okay, its factor of 2 is the matrix of this one gets 2, 2, 0, 0. Yes, this is for dilation. Dilation with scale factor 2, right? This one. Okay, ABC scale this matrix 2, 0, enlarge ABC just twice. What is ABC? ABC was this one, X and Y, the first point, second point, the third point. Yes? How much is going to be? This is 2 by 2, 2 by 3. The answer is 2 by 3, right? Answer is here. This one times this, 2 and 0 times this one, it gets 0. This gets 6. This one gets, this is 0, this is 0. This one, 2 times 2 gets 4. The other one gets 0. Right? This is the size of this. Okay. How about this one? 0, 2 times this one, this 0, 10. This one, yes, this is 10. This one gets 4. This one gets 0. This is negative 6. As you see, this gets double, double, double. This gets double too. This one is actually, this is pre-image. This is image of ABC. This one is actually A prime, B prime, C prime. Transformation of this one, okay? This is image of this one, but this is image. ABC is pre-image. This is image of this one with the scale factor of 2. This is actually about 0, 0. Right? This is about 0, 0. This one. This is triangle, about 0, 0. And dilate this one and gets twice of this. Okay? If you want to just draw this is 610. 610 is, this is 4, 5, 6. 10 gets here, for example. It gets double actually, somewhere here. Okay? Somewhere just this one. We have no place for this. Okay. Hope you like this one, but use this ABC with these values. Write it down somewhere else, or this pentagon with these values, and do the rest of this one. Reflect this over y equal to x, or rotate this one. Actually, rotate this one about the origin with 90-degree clockwise or 90-degree counterclockwise. You can use this one, okay? And find these matrices online. I hope you like this kind of application with matrices for transformation. So far, we learned two different applications of matrices. One for solving the system of linear equations, and this one for using transformation. Okay, this time we use this one over the two-dimensional shapes, okay, on coordinate system, just two-dimensional with x and y. If you go to three-dimensional in future, you can use this x, y, and z. For x, y, and z, you need the 3 by 3 because any point has x, y, z. Here we have just any point is x and y. But if you use this three-dimensional, you use x, y, z. 3 by 3. Okay, hope you like everything, and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to channel and share this one if you think this is helpful with your friends. Thanks. Bye-bye.